Let me introduce myself. My name is Suleiman El Osta. I'm from Lebanon. I work as a senior HR specialist in an organization called GIZ. It's a German governmental organization similar to USAID. And I have more than 20 years of work experience, mainly in the compensation and benefits personnel field. And all I know about HR and all I learned about HR is from my work experience, because I'm from a financial background. So I wanted to back up my experience with the science behind this and the modules and why, and also get more information about the other divisions in HR, like recruitment and learning and development, and other divisions in HR. And why I chose CHRMP, I Googled it, and I read a lot of reviews about it and found that it's very suitable for me. And this was what I saw, and the training was excellent, especially with the two instructors. I would like to send a shout out to Vincent and Monica, and it was really professional. And of course, I recommend it to other colleagues. Also, I recommend it to myself again, and to do the other certificates. And that's it. And thank you so much for everything. And congratulations again for everyone.